been advised in the parking lot at QFC 5010 Point Fosdick. Landed on a couple cars, no one injured. Hold on. Engine 51, tree down. 5010 Point Fosdick Drive, map 109. Engine 51, tree down. 5010 Point Fosdick Drive, northwest near the QFC, map 109, 1115.
One en route.
Engine 51 en route. Will be near the entrance to QFC. 3 is down across 2 vehicles, no injuries. County's aware.
Engine 51 received.
Engine 1411, tree across the roadway. 14, River Road East, map 215. Engine 1411, tree across the roadway. 3114, River Road East, map 1511. Bye. Engine 56, transformer problem. State Route 302 northwest, Purdy Drive northwest, map page 22. Engine 56, transformer problem. State Route 302 northwest, Purdy Drive northwest, map page 22, 1126. Engine 14, tree across the line, 4722, 79 Avenue East, map 292. Engine 14, tree across the wires, 79 Avenue East, map 292, 1136. Engine 1612, lines down, Van Beek Road, Key Peninsula North, Key Peninsula Highway North, map 101. Engine 1612, lines down, Van Beek Road, Key Peninsula North, Key Peninsula Highway North, map 101, 1140. Engine 59, tree fire, lines down, use caution. Warren Drive, northwest, 32th Street northwest, map 125. Engine 59, lines down. Warren Drive, northwest, 32th Street northwest, map 125. Use caution, lifelines down, 1141. Engine 59, 1144. Engine 55, tree on the line, 77th Street northwest, Lombard Drive northwest, map page 73. Engine 55, tree on the line, 77th Street northwest, Lombard Drive northwest, map page 73, 1157. Engine 56, lines down, Peacock Hill Avenue northwest, 56th Street Court northwest, map 11. Engine 56, lines down, Peacock Hill Avenue northwest, 156th Street Court northwest, map page 11, 1211. Engine 54, tree down, 56th Street northwest, Kopachek Drive northwest, map page 87. Engine 54, tree down in the area of 56th Street northwest, Kopachek Drive northwest, map page 87, 1212. Engine 59 responding to 56 in Kopachek.
Affirmative.
Engine 59, engine 54, third party reports tree down blocking the roadway.
Engine 59 received.
1214. Engine 1711, tree down with lines. State Route 702, 40 Avenue South, map 1314. Engine 1711, tree down with lines. State Route 702 South, 40 Avenue South, map 1314, 1222.